If you are new to Yellowdig, our patented point system is one of the more unique features of our platform. The purpose of the point system is to help build stronger communities by changing the way that students participate. Because of this purpose, our point system does not work like the grade you might give for a standard assignment, and our points and the grade calculated from it are based on a student's course-long participation. At Yellowdig, we do not like to say our point system automatically grades student participation. Rather, it does a great job of rewarding students who are participating in ways that contribute meaningfully to a good community, especially as you add additional feedback and points by commenting, reacting, and adding accolades to student contributions. The automatic parts of the system and your additional feedback work together to encourage students to contribute more thoughtfully in the future. As more students change their behavior in positive ways, the learning experience becomes better for everyone. You'll get the best results from our point system if you always think of the purpose of Yellowdig points as changing learners' future behavior rather than assessing their past contributions. This is a subtle shift in mindset, but if you follow this advice, you will likely use more positive reinforcement to celebrate the good behaviors of students doing the right things. Generally, positive reinforcement and recognition will improve everyone's contributions, which makes the community a more valuable and enjoyable place for both learners and instructors. Here's how our point system works. To earn any points in Yellowdig, learners have to start to participate by creating a new conversation with the post or by commenting within an existing conversation. The point rules automatically give learners points for posts and comments that use a point-enabled topic and that meet a minimum word count. These should be considered participation points and are similar to giving course points for attendance. You show up, you participate, you get some points. There are two additional ways that students can automatically earn points, which we call the social points. If a student starts a good conversation and other students comment or put reactions on their posts, they will earn additional points for having shared relevant information that other community members find interesting and informative. In combination, these automatic point rules reward students who come into their Yellowdig community early to share interesting and relevant information and who come back often to continue those conversations with other students. Those students who regularly procrastinate, who are not interacting with other students, or who are not sharing content that is articulate or relevant to the community will quickly learn that the fastest way to earn points in Yellowdig is to instead be an active and thoughtful community member. We think it as a good idea to directly explain to students that the best thing for them personally and for the community is to participate early with high-quality content. That can often help them see why the point system works the way it does and why they will personally benefit from it. As we mentioned, in addition to these automatic ways that students earn points, you have a lot of control as well. We recommend that you do give out at least a handful of accolades each week to exceptional posts and comments. Accolades display in the community so that other learners know what you like to see, and they give a point bump to the person that receives them. You can also add or subtract points from any post or comment by managing points from the feed, or by going into data, reports, and editing a student's points. While it may be necessary to remove points from some students' posts occasionally, we typically find if you are using accolades and taking part in good conversations with your students, they will respond to the positive reinforcement. As outlined in many of our community management best practices, we would not typically recommend systematic grading of learner posts, and therefore these types of point adjustments are hopefully rare events.